Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining this video. This is going to be a fun, quick Lizzo workout. It's going to be strength training, 10 minutes, super easy. Weights are optional. And we're just going to work out to some awesome Lizzo songs. She loves fitness and so do I. So I thought we could do something that's at home or outside so you don't have to get on the ground. It's apartment friendly. Your neighbors won't hate you. It'll be super fun. So yeah, let's get started. And for the intro, you won't need weights, so you can put those down. All right, inhale up. And exhale down one more time. Inhale up. Put those arms, we're gonna stack them. We're just gonna march.
Hey boy, what you say, boy? You trying to play coy?
Breathe.
Like a game boy?
Exhale
Hit my
out
phone,
on
boy.
every march.
Is your homeboy? Are you alone, boy? Come give me, boy. Got a boy with degrees, a boy in the streets, a boy on his knees. He a man. Sheesh, it's all Greek to me. Got this boy speaking Spanish. Baby, I don't need you.
Increasing our heart rate.
I just wanna freak you.
So we don't injure ourselves and we can get our body prepared for the harder workouts we have later.
What's 2 plus 2?
Beautiful. Same thing, we're gonna pull our arms down. Yes, just listen to them. Yes. Keep pulling it down. Pulling something from the sky. We're doing something a little bit different. We're gonna kick. We're gonna kick back to
itty
three
bitty
other
boys,
legs.
Mississippi boys, and the
Beautiful.
city boys. I like the pretty boys with the bow
Yes,
tie.
up some
Get your
flare.
nails did, let it blow dry. I like
Keep
a
going.
big beard, I like a clean face. I don't discriminate. Come and get a taste from the playboys to the gay boys. Go and slay boys.
All right,
you
so
my
we're gonna
slay
go to the
boys.
side bump down and up.
Baby, I don't
Down
need
and
you.
up.
I don't need.
I want you to sit down.
Just
Just be in
wanna
a chair.
freak you. I
Three.
want it. I heard you a freak too. That's right.
And one. We're gonna
What's
pull
2
down.
plus 2?
Keep going. On 4. 3. Beautiful. 2. And 1. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull down. 3, 2, and twist. 3, 2, and twist. Beautiful. Keep going. All right, other side. Two and 1. Hold down. You got it. Keep breathing. Just breathe here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Hold it down for good. 2 and twist. You can go at your own pace. You don't have to go at my pace or however you're feeling. If you want to modify, you can step it in as well. However you're feeling here. Last one. All right, grab some weights here for this next one. Again, 3 to 5 works. We don't want to do too much because this is going to be a short thing. So we're going to start legs wide knee. We're going to go down and up. And we're just going to work our biceps here. Beautiful. Keep breathing. Keep going. Yes. You. Go full length. All the way up. Elbow down here. Elbow side to side. Beautiful. All right, so we're going to stay low. We're just going to lift it halfway up. And up. Oh, so you can pull through your legs as well. You're going to add a little bit. Beautiful. Keep going. All right, so we're going to go down for 2. Arms up. And bring it in. So down for 2. And up for 2. Beautiful. Down. And 3. Yes. All right, we're going to stay down. We're going to scoop it. So we're just scooping out our biceps here. Just breathe. Scoop it. So we're going to try to pull this muscle here. You can do one arm at a time if it's too much. Or all right, so we're bringing forward, up and down. Beautiful. We're working our shoulders a little bit more here. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. we're gonna go circles out.
If I'm shining, everybody gonna
And
shine.
in.
I was born like this, don't even gotta
Again, arms are optional, or weights are optional here. The last time. All right, we're gonna go down again, so we're gonna bring it behind and up, down and up. Beautiful. You can go a little bit faster. So down and up, down and up. Beautiful. You want to see your weights in the purple here. So we're gonna keep going up. We'll continue up. So if you want one at a time, we'll go. Beautiful. Keep going here. All right, so we're gonna set up your tricep. So I want you to be hitting your forearm here. And I want your arms scratching and arms down. I want you to get some feel and get your spine pulling at each other. So we're gonna pull it back and up. All right, pull back, back. So we're doing tricep kick back. So you want your elbows straight parallel with the ceiling above you here. Set it down. For 2 more times here. All right, we're going to move it back. We're going to go up. Keep everything up. Keep going forward. Up. Beautiful. Shake it off. You can keep your weights with you for this next section, but you don't have to. So what we're going to do for this one, we're going to keep your outlet. You're going to go into a wide V here. We're going to move down and up. You can have it with your waist or you can just tap it down. So just down and up.
I'm 100% down.
Even when I'm crying crazy,
yeah, I got boy problems. That's the human in me. Bling bling, then I saw them.
Keep going.
You could have had a bad, not committal. Help you with your
3.
career. Just a
Beautiful.
little. You're supposed to hold me down, but you're holding me back. And that's the sound. I mean, I'm calling you back.
Down and up. Beautiful. We're still doing the side lunge here.
Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend set me down in the salon chair. Shampoo press, get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the bomb lighting. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. True hurts needed something more exciting.
All right, so we're going to here for the
Try
right
to
side.
break my heart, oh that breaks my heart.
Beautiful. We're
That
working
you
our
thought
abs
you
here,
ever
core
had it,
and
no
your
you
legs.
ain't from the start. Hey, I'm glad you're back with you. I mean, who would wanna hide this? I will never, ever, 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 ever
All right,
be
when you
your
take your
side
weight,
chick. I
you
put
put
the
down,
singing
center,
single. Ain't
center,
worried about a
right,
ring
center.
on my finger.
Beautiful.
So you can tell your friend, shoot your shot when you see him. It's okay, he already in
All
the
right, so pull
deal.
it down
Why men great
and
till they
down.
gotta be great? Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best
Beautiful.
friend set me down in the salon chair. Shampoo press, get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the bomb lighting. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. True hurts needed something more exciting.
All right. We're going to go
I'ma
down
hit you back in a
and twist.
minute.
Pull it
I'll
down
play tag,
and
I've
twist.
been it.
Beautiful.
We
Down
don't win lies.
and
We
twist.
don't do goodbyes. We just keep it pushing like
Another side. So
I'ma
down
hit you back in
and
a
twist.
minute.
Down.
I'll play tag, I've been
Beautiful
it.
here.
We don't win lies. We don't do goodbyes. We just keep
All right,
it
we're going to go
pushing
straight
like
into lunge. Step it back for 3,
Why men
2,
great till
1.
they gotta
Pull it
be
up
great?
and up
Don't
here.
text me, tell it straight to
You
my
know your own
face.
pace here.
Best
Pull
friend
if
set
you're
me
moving
down
like
in the
up, we're
salon
going to
chair.
down. That's fine
Shampoo
too.
press, get you out of my hair.
Beautiful.
Fresh photos with the bomb lighting. New man on the Minnesota
Last time.
Vikings.
3,
True
2,
hurts needed
1.
something
Pull
more
it up and
exciting.
overhead. Switch sides. Back leg for 3. Pull it up. To the end of the song, you got it. Beautiful. So put those weights down. We're going to go straight into our cool down. It's already over. Can you believe it? So bring your arms up. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Right arm across here. Side to side. Keep the heart rate going. Beautiful. We're cooling down our bodies. We did an awesome end of the workout. And now we're just stretching. It's so important to stretch. To make sure those muscles stay better so we can do it tomorrow. So get inhale down. We're gonna exhale, roll up. Push those heels into the ground one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Drop that right shoulder, look over the left shoulder, and spread those legs apart. And switch sides. Beautiful. One more time here. I want you to face the right side of your room. Put your right foot forward. Have your back leg back straight. And put your arms behind, open up that chest. Press your back heel into the ground. That nice stretch here. Good job. Bend that back in here. Push those hips forward. Arms out in front. Push right into the butt here. Beautiful. Roll that back leg. Lift that front toe up. We're going to inhale up. Exhale forward. Bend that back knee. And then keep stretching here. Tap that front toe when you're ready. Beautiful. Same thing. Back leg back here. Arms behind, stretch. Beautiful here. Drop that back knee, same thing. Press those hips forward, arms out in front. You really want to feel the stretch right here in your hip flexor. Beautiful. We have a surprise by Ariana Grande here. So your back leg back. Inhale up, exhale, floor over. Even here. Nice stretch. Back it over. Beautiful. Alright, so we're going to tap it out. And up. Alright, inhale. Exhale everything you did. Thank you so much for joining me. Please let me know if you have any feedback or comments, or if you want more songs like this. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, or if you want to keep working out with me, subscribe to my channel and find another song to dance to. Bye!